This is Cody Sovis. I am a content marketer and SEO account manager at OneUpWeb. And today we're going to run through the conversion path report, which is available in GA4. Similar tools existed in Universal Analytics, but this one is much easier to see, and it's a lot easier to take that data and dive a little bit deeper. And we're also going to take a quick look at a similar tool that might be more ideal for websites that don't see a ton of conversions or don't have a lot of events marked as conversions. We'll do that really quickly near the end of the video. But first, let's get to the conversion path report. It's located here, and this is, you've loaded up your Google Analytics 4 property. It's located over here under advertising. And while it is something that's a little bit focused on e-commerce, any conversion that you have marked on your website is going to be displayed here. So maybe that's one of the most important things, is to understand what a conversion means to you in your website. So this is the advertising screen. This is the first step, and we'll go over here to conversion paths. All this is tracks the most common, or if you keep digging into the data, all of the ways users converted on your website. So it's broken up into a couple of spots here. You see some options here where you can adjust filters. So maybe you want to look at just a specific type of user or audience. You can make those adjustments here. You could say, hey, I only want to look at people that maybe converted in the last year. Maybe people that only came from a specific medium, those types of things. That filter is very, very easy to apply. And this is also another note. This is the path link that includes all touch points. There are ways that you can slice this up a little bit, but it's kind of most useful to see that full customer journey. And the other thing you'll see up top here is what a conversion means. For this website, we have 3 conversions marked. One is an actual e-commerce purchase. Another is visiting a specific page on the site. This is the sponsor page. And then this is a shop visit. This is triggered or marked as conversion anytime a user actually makes it to the store. And this is, we're looking at a 28-day period dating back towards the end of January of 23. And what we have here is everybody that converted. Right here we have a couple of things to look at. These are the early touch points, mid touch points, and late touch points. Late touch points is, in most cases, the last touch point when someone converted. And as we can see here, a lot of people are maybe introduced to the site by organic social or organic search. They usually come back from social media, and then here that direct indicates people are either saving that URL or having it auto-filled. So they know where they're going when they do convert. The other table down here is even more kind of insightful. This is, and you make sure you tab over you, there's a lot of data that goes over sort of outside the screen, including things like the days to conversion, which is really interesting. And sites that have a higher number of conversions will typically have a lot more information associated with this section of the page. And as you look in here, all of these are kind of noted by the total number of conversions. So as you can see, most of the conversions coming from this site are from direct, quite a few from organic search as well. If you have the right settings associated with your store, you'll have the amount of revenue associated with each one of these conversion paths. And this is an excellent way, again, to see how long it takes people to convert. That's less than a day. That's only a handful of hours, so they come right back. But there's other people that take longer times to make that conversion. And the other thing that's probably really important to note here is that you don't have to look at just this data. There's a lot of different ways to add, not filters. There's a lot of ways to adjust this time period, and you can also look at specific journeys as well and organize this. Like, let's say you have a specific campaign around a certain event or a new product launch. You can look at just that information associated with a particular campaign as well. That isn't set up on this website. One of the things I did want to note is that there's another very, very useful tool available in the Explore tab that is really useful, especially for sites that don't have tons of conversions. Maybe you're not an e-commerce store. Maybe you're getting a handful of conversions per month, a younger website, whatever the case may be. And this is the path exploration. It's relatively similar to the conversion path report. The difference is that it doesn't necessarily have to end in conversions. The default setting here is to show conversions, but it'll also show specific events.